Hey y'all, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I installed my Luvme hair wig. I am not a hairstylist, but I just wanted to show you guys how I installed my wig. So I ordered a 16-inch body wave wig. Then it comes with this little goodie bag, as well as some lashes, a wig cap, and a little pamphlet that just pretty much tells you how to care for it and all that good jazz. In the goodie bag was a hair wax stick, bobby pins, a clamp, an adjustable band, and tweezers, as well as a comb that I already took out. As you can see, the wig came with combs. I am not a fan of combs, so I did end up removing those, but here's the wig. I have not bleached anything, plucked anything. I just pulled it out the box and stuck it on my head. So I started in the back with cutting this lace. I did cut half and half at a time, meaning I cut the back off, put the wig back on to see where the ear tabs were going to be, and then cut from there. So I'm just measuring the other side so that I can cut it out so that it can sit perfectly around my ear. In my opinion, the hair is a whole lot easier to manage when it's wet. So all I'm doing is wetting it up so that I can slick it back and lay this sucker down. So that I did take this toothbrush and dip it in a little bit of water so that I can tame them flyaways. And then I took my Got To Be spray and sprayed in between my hairline and this baby hair to secure this wig down. Then I got my blow dryer on high, but with the cool setting, blowing until this thing is in place. So I did end up missing just a little piece, so I cut the little excess off and then repeated the same steps to lay her on down, baby. I love this little wax stick. I mean, normally I would have to wet it or mousse it to change a part or to put a part, and it just gives me the same results without having to wait and dry and all that extra stuff. All right, now come through. Yes, love me. Can't forget the baby hairs and that trusty old toothbrush, but we're gonna swoop it on together. As always, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.